Check out this is 2013 Chrysler 200 Series Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, fog lamps, MP3 player, premium sound system and satellite radio. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.